What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena. I'd appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below and don't forget to click the bell to get notified when I post new videos. Danke! In today's video, I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me, so you'll see my makeup process from start to finish. I just finished moisturizing my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my primer on. I currently use the MAC Prep and Prime. 2 pumps will usually do. Spread that all over my face. I'm currently getting ready because today I'll be filming my Get to Know Me video, 10 fun facts. So stay tuned for that. Then we're gonna go and put on our foundation. I've been using the Tarte Amazonian Clay. My color is medium neutral, and I do use a beauty blender. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put on our concealer. I have been using and loving Jeffree Star's Magic Concealer. Put it under my eyes, down my nose, a little bit above here. Okay, now we're gonna go and put on our powder, which again, Jeffree Star Magic Star setting powder. I'm using beige. And for those of you that are currently not aware or not using Jeffree Star, this does have a tint of like cotton candy, so it's faintly sweet. It's really nice. We're gonna brush off the excess with our foundation brush. For my bronzer, I've been using Tarte Park Avenue Princess. It's a really cute case also. My brush, just get around my edges, bring some life back into it. I by no means am a beauty guru. I've just watched other girls put on their makeup and follow the tips that made their faces look good. So you get that snatched jawline. I'm gonna get right underneath the chin area. A little bit, sculpt a little bit over your nose, do the sides. Then we're gonna come in with that highlighter after. Okay, moving on to cheeks. I'm currently using an Urban Decay palette with 2 different shades. As you can see, this is the one I'm gonna use today. Are you seeing the life come back into my face? Uh-oh, how long have you been out? Okay, they're evened up. We can move on to the Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I hope you can hear me okay in here. Should I start talking louder? Yeesh. So just put a little bit on my finger, rub it together, just dabbing it out. Now we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow. And I'm using Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. Put this all across my lid. I'm using the color Bribe. That's this one right here. Then I'm gonna come in with a little bit of blur. I'm going for more of a natural look. So put this blur again right in my crease. Now that we got that one on, we're gonna come in with Bucked and Boundaries, the 2 next door to it, these 2. Not bad. Last part, I'm gonna go ahead and come in with that Angel Fire. I found that it's often hard to get the pigment on some of their glitter powders, but just come right on in with my finger and it gets really good on there. Okay, now we can do the eyebrows. I have been using my Anastasia brow definer in color Ebony. So I first brush them out because they have a mind of their own sometimes. I just follow my eyebrow outline with a little bit of the tip also. Now that those are colored in, we're gonna come in with the Brow Gal brow gel. It is clear and water resistant. And it's just like a mascara applicator brush. You just brush them through and it holds them still all day. Honestly, I didn't know what my eyebrows were doing before I found this product. And I actually found this product on my FabFitFun subscription. If anybody else has started using this, let me know below. I'll have a link for it on Amazon also. Let me come in with my Q-tips because I'm sure you could see that it spread them around. Took a little bit much, that's all right. This is when we come back in with the Precisely My Brow from Benefit Brows. Just get that tip. Voila. Okay, beautiful. So now that the brows are down, done. Eyeliner is next. I currently use Stila. This is a Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, Intense Black. Nice felt tip. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply a very thin layer. Try to duplicate that on the other side, am I right? Oh, the struggle is real, ladies and gents. No discrimination here. Okay, how's it looking? I don't know that they're twins, but they'll do. Next, Urban Decay Subversion Thicker, Longer, Bolder Volumizing Lash Primer. This is my go-to. Mascara is next. I currently use Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama. It's the red one, Hydro Fudge, which means waterproof. Almost done. You're gonna come in with that highlighter. Just going right down that. No, it's just, I know you see it. A little bit above the brow. Yes, honey. Now to do the lips. To be completely honest, I use a drugstore lip liner called Jordana. This is their Lip Easy Liner for Lips Plush Plum color. I'm just gonna go in and outline. I like to color in a little bit also. And then we're gonna top it with this in a minute. Now this red is not bad, it would probably suffice, but like I said earlier, I'm a blender. So I like to just come right on in top of that. And there we are. Oh, one last step. Cannot forget my all-night spray. Got my Urban Decay. And there we are, honey. That is my look. Okay. Thanks for watching. My hair is a mess, but we're not here to look at the hair. This is about makeup. Okay. I do typically love a winged wingtail. What am I trying to say? I typically go for a wing look. I love a wing. I love a chicken wing too. There's a bug. Blooper. Blooper. No, we're good. Gotcha. No, I didn't. Damn lie. Q-tip. Twist. Yes, honey. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. Q-tip. Twist. Oh, we snatched. We taking names. Design teeth. Probably go a little too overboard, but I love a mist.